So today on this sunny day in November, Dave and I are going to the Rio Bosque Park. So it is a park where we've been to 2 years ago. It's a wildlife habitat and it's very close to the Mexican border, so we're going to check it out. We are very close to the Mexican border here. Now we're turning onto a levee road. That's a dirt road. From here we're basically just a few hundred yards from the Mexican-US border. So, Berta and I arrived at the Rio Bosque Wetlands Park. Here's a map of where we are. We are right there. And this here is the border, what I've mentioned. And then all this here is the Wetlands Park. It's a 372-acre wetland conservation project. It's also a bird sanctuary next to the Rio Grande. That's where the Rio Grande is, right there. So this trail here is also called the Wetlands Trail. But I believe with the heat that we had in summer, there's not much water here because it's supposed to be right here. There's a little bit left, but usually there's way more water in here. And also on the other side, it looks more like a swamp right now. That's about it. All the trails, they still look green. The leaves are just about to turn yellow, and it's November. The reason is this year was so warm, and even today, this will be one of the warmest November days. We break another record. So yeah, fall is not really here yet. And we're approaching one of the park's main structures. It looks closed again. In the past couple of years, I was here like 3 times. It was always closed. They got picnic tables though, and then some information about the wildlife that you can encounter here. But from here, the trailheads go into different directions. We're gonna head towards the river now. That's our goal. It's actually nice here. Those trees and the trails. But you don't want to do this in the summertime, especially the summer we had this year. It was super hot. Yeah, that's why it's called the wetlands. Almost looks like a jungle out here. And that would be the other side. We're right in the middle of the bridge. Now this is quite cool walking through here. It's a pretty nice trail. We've been here, this is the 3rd time now, I believe. 3rd or 4th time. But I think this is the first time we're doing this trail here. Welcome to Jurassic Park. No, actually it's welcome to the US-Mexico border. This is the border wall. Just a stone throw away, that's Mexico on the other side. And this is a massive project here. The wall goes as far as you can see. I'm going to show an aerial view of that later. And usually in that canal here, there's usually water in there. The wetlands, they stretch all the way here to the border. Unfortunately, we didn't see much wildlife, like birds or something. There's water right here, but maybe it's too late in the day. It's close to 1 p.m. We're leaving the border and we start heading back on that trail here. Yeah, Data's getting tired. It's pretty warm, but we're almost back at the truck. But we are here at a nice area. We have now some autumn foliage on the trees. That looks quite nice. And there's a windmill around here. Actually, it's over there. And we want to check that out. So we're almost at that windmill. And there's that wetland area again. Looks very swampy right now. Lots of algae, green algae on the water. And this is the park's windmill. Beautiful colors. Yeah, we're back at the parking lot where we started our trip. So this is going to be a short video about the Rio Bosque Wetland Park. But it's nice. It's a nice hike. Easy, easy, easy. There's nothing difficult about it. So that is it. That was our little Saturday afternoon hike. Now we're heading back home on this washboard road here. It's really bad, bad washboard. But yeah, it's only like a mile and a half, and then you get back to pavement.